Roblox limited deals can appear and disappear in seconds. By the time you notice the price, open the listing, and check whether the numbers make sense, somebody else may already have bought it. This is RoliSniper, a browser extension built to watch the market, apply your own filters, and organize every qualifying opportunity in one place. In this video, I'll show you how it detects deals, validates listings, and tracks items after purchase. RoliSniper works alongside the Rolimons Deals page. As new listings appear, the extension reads the available item, price, value, and discount information. The green cards are stronger deals according to Rolimons, but RoliSniper does not blindly trust a color or percentage. Each candidate is normalized, checked against cached item information, and compared with the limits selected in the extension. The active indicator confirms that the page integration is running. The pop-up is the main control center. Scanner turns monitoring on or off. Minimum deal percentage controls how far below the reference value an item must be. Maximum Robux limits the price of any candidate, while minimum spend can ignore extremely small listings. The scan interval controls how often the extension checks for new information. Sound and balance protection add feedback and prevent a listing from exceeding the available Robux balance. When automatic buying is enabled, a qualifying listing enters a one-at-a-time queue. Before any purchase request is submitted, the extension checks the live Roblox catalog information again. It verifies the listing identifier, seller, current price, item details, and calculated discount. If the listing changed, disappeared, or no longer passes the filters, the attempt is canceled. That revalidation step matters because a deal detected moments ago may already be gone. Detection never guarantees that a purchase will succeed. Every candidate produces a useful result instead of disappearing silently. The extension can record successful detections, duplicate listings, expired offers, balance restrictions, network failures, and rate limits. This makes it easier to understand whether the scanner is actually working or simply losing a race to another buyer. Optional Discord notifications can report activity elsewhere, but the webhook remains a private user setting and is never something you should expose in a recording or shared extension package. Successful purchases can be added to the resale tracker. RoliSniper stores the purchase cost, hold period, estimated marketplace fee, break-even point, and profit target. From those values, it calculates a suggested resale floor and the earliest date an item should be ready. The pop-up gives a compact view of recent deals and tracked inventory. Automatic selling is a separate control, so monitoring and resale automation do not have to be enabled together. For a wider view, the dashboard turns local history into a readable workspace. Summary cards show spending, estimated profit, average profit per item, average hold time, and the active queue. The table displays each item, its purchase cost, profit floor, readiness, and latest result. Charts and permanent listing history become more useful as completed records accumulate. Everything shown here is stored locally in the browser profile rather than sent to a separate Robux trader server. RoliSniper uses the Roblox session already open in the browser. It does not ask you to paste a Roblox security cookie into its interface, and temporary request protection tokens are obtained directly from Roblox when needed. Still, automatic buying and selling are real account actions, so conservative limits and careful testing are important. Market values can change, listings can vanish, APIs can rate limit requests, and profit is never guaranteed. RoliSniper is best understood as a configurable market assistant. It watches, filters, verifies, records, and helps you react faster. That is the restored RoliSniper extension. If you want to see a deeper technical walkthrough setup guide or longer real-world test, leave a comment with what you want covered next.